Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Max teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. Today we are going to learn building skills, choose the correct fact, and two-step problem solvings. First topic is building skills, choose the correct fact. Dear kids, some problems we can't directly solve. We need some information. Then only we are going to solve. Example, a box of color pencils holds 15 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? We are going to select correct information from the given information. Information 1. Each box cost rupees 118. Information 2. 12 children were sharing the pencils. Information 3. There are 9 boxes of color pencils. Dear kids, here we want to find how many color pencils are there in all. Isn't it? We need to know how many boxes are there. So, choose fact 3. There are 9 boxes of color pencils. That means 15 into 9 equal to 135. I hope you 2 digit into 1 digit multiplication we know very well. Therefore, answer is there are 135 color pencils in all. One more example for you. Anisa bought 21 packets of biscuits. How many biscuits did she buy in all? Here, these are the informations. Information 1. There are 15 people at Anisa's party. Information 2. There are 10 biscuits in a packet. Information 3. Each packet cost rupees 12. Dear kids, we want to know to find how many biscuits did she buy in all. So, dear kids, we need to know how many biscuits are there in each packet. We choose fact 2. There are 10 biscuits in a packet. We know 10th multiplication table. That means you are going to add 0 in the rightmost corner. You are going to write remaining numbers. That means 21 into 10 equal to 210 biscuits. Therefore, answer is Anisa bought 210 biscuits in all. Next topic is problem solving, two-step problems. Example 1. Ramesh the electrician has 12 boxes of bulbs. Each box contains 10 bulbs. He used 98 bulbs. How many bulbs are left with him? Dear kids, sometimes you may need to do more than one calculation while solving a problem. These are called two-step problems. Step 1. Multiply to find how many bulbs in all at first. Number of boxes are 12. Each box contains 10 bulbs. So, 12 into 10 equal to 120 bulbs. Step 2. Subtract to find how many bulbs are left. That means total number of bulb minus number of bulb used. 120 minus 98 equal to what? Dear kids, we know how to subtract. First you are going to subtract ones place, after that tens place, after that hundreds place. Some important notes. Regroup wherever required. Send it. Yes, 120 minus 98 equal to 22 bulbs. Answer. There are 22 bulbs left with Ramesh now. Example 2. Hansa had 124 matchbox covers. She got 22 more from her aunt. She gave 12 to a friend. How many does she have now? Dear kids, we are going to solve two-step method. Step 1. I have to find how many matchbox covers in after got from her aunt. That means first she has 124 matchbox covers. She got from her aunt 22. Therefore 146 matchbox covers. Step 2. Subtract to find how many matchbox covers are left with her after she gave to her friend. Dear kids, we know how to subtract. First you are going to subtract ones place, after that tens place, after that hundreds place. Some important notes. Regroup wherever required. Send it. Yes, we are going to subtract total number of matchbox covers minus number of matchbox covers she gave to her friend. That means 146 minus 18 equal to 128 matchbox covers. The answer, Hansa has 128 matchbox covers now. Dear kids, try yourself. Pause the video. Complete your classwork note. Thank you. We will see in the next video.